Most of the people get introduced to the powerful law of attraction by this book, The Secret. Yes, it was the first book that I read on this subject, but it is not the only book. The books are being written on this subject since the beginning of 19th century, and this concept of law of attraction is present since like thousands of years. Actually, this book, The Secret, is based on the teachings of Abraham Hicks. So, if you really want to go deep down into the law of attraction, I would suggest to read all the books written by Abraham Hicks and Jerry Hicks.
Hi, I am Pratyush. I combine my learnings of quantum science, neuroscience, psychology, spirituality, and share my thoughts to create a world that we aspire.
So today I want to talk about this thing. Like when people read this book, The Secret, they get aware of this fact that their thoughts have something to do with their reality. And then they follow this book, they follow the process given in this book, which is very general, and they try to manifest something in their life. Some people get the results, some people don't get the results. And the people who get the results are also not so consistent with their manifestation, and it almost feels like a coincidence than the law. And then they go on YouTube and Google and search more about it, where they found this kind of videos of instant manifestation within hours, manifestation overnight, and a bunch of different techniques like 555 and water techniques. And then they try those techniques, and most of the time these techniques do not work. And then gradually they start to doubt on themselves and doubt on law of attraction, that maybe it is not true, or if it is true, it is not for them, they cannot use it. So if you ask me, law of attraction is true, I will say yes, I am a firm believer of it. But why it is not working for you? Because you have not done the basic work. You are not prepared to use the law of attraction. What I mean by that? I mean that when imagine a person going to the gym for very first time. His capacity to lift the weight is 10 kgs. What happen if he tried to lift 100 kgs? The chances are he is going to hurt himself. Now, it is not impossible for a person to lift 100 kgs. But for that person who hasn't done any basic workout yet, it is impossible. Now, similar in the case of law of attraction. You have to do basic workout. You have to do that inner exercise by which you can build those muscles in your brain. You have to make a foundation to use law of attraction effectively. So here are my some suggestions for the beginners who are on the path of self-transformation. Now I would suggest you to please complete at least first 30 days with the practices that I'm going to tell you next. And after that only go to use any other techniques. Number 1. Cut off the negativity and feed your mind with positive information. The information is food of mind. They say a great body made in kitchen, not in the gym. 70% food and 30% exercise. Similar in the case of your mind. A great mind is 70% information and 30% about practices. Now, keeping your thoughts under control is very difficult. It can take a lot of time to build those skills. But it is very much in your control to cut off the negativity. Stop watching to the news. Stop listening to the sad song. Remove that Kabir Singh or sad girl picture from your profile. Unfollow negative people and accounts on social media and in real life. Now consciously feed your mind with positive information. Watch, listen, read positive content. Surround yourself with the positive people. Remember, your environment has the biggest impact on your mindset. Number 2, start practicing gratitude. The gratitude practice is one of the most important practice you can do to rise your vibration. Every day before sleep, just write down 3 things you are grateful for that particular day. Now, practicing gratitude is so simple that most of the people ignore this practice. Now, let me tell you why you need to practice gratitude. Because our mind is conditioned to focus on the negative things. Just take a newspaper and you will find that 80% of the news are negative and 20% of the news are positive. The news people know your mind better than you. But now it's time to know your mind and use it for your benefit. Now, when you practice gratitude, you actually force your mind to notice the positive things in the day, because naturally it is noticing the negative things. But when you practice the gratitude, you actually force it to notice the positive things. And that's how you train it to focus on positive sides than the negative sides. Number 3, exercise for 20 to 30 minutes every day. Remember, a healthy mind lives in a healthy body. You cannot create a bright future with poor health. When you exercise for 20 to 30 minutes in the morning, it releases some chemicals like endorphin and dopamine in your mind, which keeps you confident and happy throughout the day. And to use law of attraction effectively, you have to be in good mood. Number 4, list down the things that make you happy and make you feel alive. Sit with a diary and list down all the things that make you happy, make you feel alive, and do more of it. It can be gardening, it can be cooking, it can be playing with kids, it can be playing with dogs, it can be watching your favorite TV show, it can be anything that makes you feel happy. Just set a time daily and do that activity without any disturbance. Number 5, increase your emotional strength. According to me, the most important thing you can do for your life is increase your emotional strength. Because what happened that when people use law of attraction and something negative, something opposite happen, they go back and start to behave like their old self. And here emotional strength plays a very important role to keep them in a receptive mode. Now, there are many things you can do to increase your emotional strength. You can watch one of my previous video on how meditation made me emotionally strong, and try that meditation of staring in the dark black space behind your eyes. What I also found that whenever you ask yourself these 3 questions, you increase your emotional strength. Number 1, what are the things that are in my control? Number 2, what are the things that are not in my control? Number 3, what can I do to feel good? Whenever you ask yourself these 3 questions, you will put yourself from being a victim to being a creator. And one more thing you can do to increase your emotional strength is try to see things as energies. Because when you see things as energies, you feel less emotional about them. Number 6, discipline and patience. No matter what field you want to get mastery of, these 2 qualities are must have in your basket. Law of attraction is not for lazy people. It is for the people who are committed, who are passionate about their life and their dreams. So before you try to manifest anything in your life, before you try to use any technique, please follow these guidelines at least for 30 days and prepare a base where you can stand firmly and manifest your dreams. So if this video was helpful, if this video has impacted you, please like, comment, share, save, and help me to create more awareness. Thank you.